Hi, I'm Jessie LaRose, and I'm the lead buyer at the Potsdam Food Co-op. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Buying Club, what it is, and how to use it. The Buying Club is a tangible benefit of co-op membership. It provides our members with access to full catalogs for four of our co-op suppliers, including UNFI, Regional Access, Equal Exchange, and Frontier Co-op. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of each of the suppliers and what they have to offer. So UNFI is a large natural and organic food supplier, supplying most of what the co-op carries on the shelves. They have the largest catalog available to our members. Regional Access is a regional supplier. They're based in Ithaca, New York, and they carry a wide variety of New York State products and specialty products like meat and cheese. Equal Exchange is a new offering for our buying club. They are a worker-owned cooperative carrying fair trade, organic chocolate, tea, and bulk coffee beans. Frontier Co-op is also a co-op, and they supply products like teas and spices in bulk, usually in 1 pound bags, and many non-food items in product categories like household, kitchen and bath, laundry, etc. So, in addition to having access to more products than what the co-op is able to carry in the store, the Buying Club offers our member owners a low-cost alternative to shopping in the store. Our markups for the Buying Club are 18% for UNFI and 25% for all others, including Regional Access, Equal Exchange, and Frontier Co-op. And I just want to explain for anyone who's used the Buying Club previous to this video, the markup for UNFI did used to be 15%, but because of a volume discount change from our supplier, we did unfortunately have to increase that markup from 15% to 18%. When ordering through the Buying Club, there is no minimum order. However, no other discounts apply like working owner discounts or coupons. All other details can be found on the website, which is where I am right now. If you scroll up to Buying Club and hover over that, you can click on information and that will bring you to a page with all of the details on how to use the Buying Club. Okay. So now we're going to move on to signing up and logging in to the Buying Club. So if you click on online ordering under that same tab, that will bring you to our Buying Club website. Looks like this. And it has some general guidelines and a return policy that you can read through. Also, contact information, the co-op's phone number, and my email if you have any questions after this video. So under the login button at the bottom, you can click on register as a new user, and that will just take you to a form. It's very quick. You just make a username, make a password, put in your first and last name, phone number, address, and sign up. Your account will not be active until I have a chance to review it and make sure that you are actually an active member of the co-op. And so long as you are an active member, I will approve your account. If not, I will send you an email just to remind you, and we'll get you all set up from there. So if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and log in. I'm going to log into my own personal account just so that it looks the same as yours. Okay. So once you're in, I think it's going to default to UNFI, so it should look like this. It'll just give you some basic information about the vendor, our markup for that supplier, and also deadline information. All right, so we're going to talk about placing and changing orders. So the first thing you're going to do is select the source from the drop down at the top right of the main page, which is right here. Currently, we have UNFI selected, so I'm just going to keep it there. The next step is to click on the Order tab to begin a product search. From there, you can type keywords into the search bar. You can also filter your keywords by a few different ways: category, subcategory, manufacturer, which is also the brand, description, size, and code. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and type it into any field. We're going to type rice, and that's going to pull up any category, subcategory, manufacturer, or product description that includes the word rice. So it's pretty vague, but we're going to go with that for now. Under the size, you can click size and sort it. I think that's the best way to do it for a lot of products, especially if you're looking to order in bulk, which I think a lot of people, when they order things like rice, are looking to do. They're looking for a 10-pound bag, a 20-pound bag, 25-pound bag. And you'll see here all of the sizes listed. All right, so I'm just going to scroll down. Let's see. So we'll go with Lotus brand Jade Pearl Rice. If I click on more info, it'll just give me a little bit more than the basic description. Not all of them have that option, but that one does. So to find out what I'm going to pay for this rice, I'm going to take this price right here, this $41.28. Just going to open up my calculator. $41.28 times 1.18, which is the UNFI markup, to get my total. So if I order this through the Buying Club, I'm going to pay about $48, $49 for that product once it arrives at the co-op. So if I want to go ahead and order that, I'm just going to copy this code real quick just so I can show you guys something else. But if I want to go ahead and order that, all I have to do is click add. I could, if I wanted more than one bag, I could select 2 and then add, but by default, it's automatically going to add 1 to your cart when you click this button. So it says item added to order with the item code, order saved. If you click on order again, it'll bring you to your cart and you'll be able to see what is actually on order. Once something is in your cart, it's automatically going to be ordered for you. So unless you delete something from your cart before the order deadline, it's going to come to the co-op. So right now I have the Jade Pearl Rice on order. So while I'm in my cart, I'm just going to show you how to add or remove items, increase or decrease quantities, add items to your favorite list, which allows you to quickly and easily reorder items that you frequently use. So let's say that I want to just increase the quantity ordered. I can just go over here, click on the quantity, type in the new quantity, and click save. So now I have 2 bags of the Jade Pearl rice on order. If I don't want to order the rice at all, I've decided, it's too expensive or I want a different kind or whatever the reason may be, over here we can just click on delete. And now it's gone. The other way to add something to a cart is to click in the search box and type in an item code. I just copy and pasted an item code that I already have. So I'm going to click enter, and that's that Jade Pearl rice once again. I'm going to add it back to my cart. Now I'm going to show you how to add this to your favorites. So if you look here under where it says action, there's a little checkbox. If you click on the checkbox, you can then type here under new favorites list. I don't have any favorites lists active, so I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to type in bulk since this is a bulk item. And I'm just going to click add selected to favorites. You'll see I get a notification that says the item was added to my favorites list. Now, if I go up here to these tabs and click on the favorites, you'll see my list is created and there's 1 item. Click on that link, and there is my Jade Pearl rice. So if you want to add an item from your favorites list to your order, you can just click this little checkbox and then you would just click add selected items to order. I'm not going to do that because we actually already have this product in our cart, but just so you are aware that that is an option. All right, moving on. In addition to being able to add items to a favorites list, you're also able to look at your previous order history. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So we're going to go back to the source home at the top here. It's going to bring us back to the UNFI homepage. And if you scroll down, you will see there's a few links down here: order, invoice, and archives. Invoice is not helpful. Basically what that is your current invoice for UNFI Buying Club will appear there, but only until I archive the group order, which happens as soon as I've processed it. So that's actually not very helpful, but it's not necessary either because you can view your invoice from the archive. So we're going to click right there on archives. And you'll see here, these are all of my personal invoices. If you look at the totals here, these totals are actually not your order. I definitely don't order thousands of dollars worth of product every week. But what that is just the group order total. However, when you click on invoice, whether you click on invoice or combined invoices, you're only going to see your invoice. Nobody else can view what your personal order history is. So there's no worry there. I just want to make sure that that's clear because that does seem a little odd, but that's just the way it appears on here. So if we click on invoice for February 2nd, we can see that I ordered some sparkling mango water. And at the time, you'll notice that the buying club markup was still 15%, though that will be increasing to 18% as of Tuesday, February 9th, 2021. All right, so I think I've covered pretty much everything. Let's just go back to the source home and we'll just kind of quickly go over the details for each of the suppliers. The information here about the markup and out of stock items and order confirmations, that's all pretty much the same for every supplier with the exception of the markup, since UNFI is the only supplier that has an 18% markup. The others are all 25%. But I'll just quickly read through. So the markup is 18% above the UNFI wholesale price, which will show up as a member fee on your invoice. You can calculate your estimated cost by multiplying the wholesale price by 1.18. Wholesale prices may vary in some instances. Out of stock items will be marked as such on your invoice and will not be automatically reordered. You must reorder these items. So that's a question I've gotten a lot is, something's out of stock and maybe a member thinks that, I'm going to try to reorder it for them next week. That is not the case. If you want to try to order something again, you must add it to your cart for the following order deadline. Order confirmations are not sent because this system is not set up for them. So your items are on order once they've been added to your cart and the order deadline has passed. You may remove the items up until that point. You will receive an invoice by email once we have received and processed the order, which will notify you of the status and total cost of your order. So you'll see at the bottom here, we have the deadline for ordering from UNFI is Sunday at 4 p.m. All of the suppliers have deadlines and they are all different. So I recommend just kind of checking that out. Regional Access has a deadline of Monday at 12 p.m. Items delivered on Friday mornings. And then Equal Exchange and Frontier Co-op, those are both going to be bi-weekly, and those will need to be in on Tuesday at 2 p.m. So I am going to wrap this up now, but I did just want to let you know that if you have any questions at all that I have not answered in this tutorial, you can email me at buyer@potsdamcoop.com. I do plan to put together an FAQ on the Buying Club on our website in the very near future, so your questions are extremely helpful in making sure that I've covered everything. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you enjoy the Buying Club. Thanks.